Hi, today I will talk about 2 LCD TV in this video, so keep watching the video for details. Firstly, design. Dimensions 1.25 into 2.18 into 42 mm and 1.25 into 2.18 into 41 mm. Weight 67 kg and 67.5 kg. Mounting hole pattern 400 into 400 mm. Tuners DVB T2 S2 C Europe. Special features: anti-reflective filter Ultra, Gemba 3.0 IMAX Enhanced, motion accelerator 240, climb ready. Next, display. Display technology LCD. Panel type VAQD. Backlight mini-LED. Display size 65, 75, 85, 98 inch Europe. Resolution 4K. Refresh rate 144 Hz. Video processor AIPQ Pro. Aspect ratio 16:9. Pixel density 45 ppi. Response time 6.5 millisecond. Display orientation landscape. Brightness 3500 nits and 2400 nits. Variable refresh rate FreeSync. Ambient light sensor yes. HDR formats HDR10, HDR10 Plus, Hybrid Long Gamma, Dolby Vision IQ. High gig yes. Next, connectivity. Number of HDMI 2 into HDMI 2.1. Bluetooth 5.2. Wi-Fi 6 802.11 AX. USB ports 1 into USB A. Next, Smart TV and apps. TV platform Google TV. Version at launch 12.0. OS updates yes. AirPlay 2 yes. HomeKit yes. Voice assistant Google Assistant Alexa. Speakers 2.2.2 60 watt and 2.2.2 60 watt 1Q. HDMI ARC and EARC yes. Dolby audio yes. Detach audio yes. Subwoofer yes. Thanks for watching. For more updates, subscribe to my channel.